Hello, Lake Bis viewers. I have a new old friend. His name is Brandon Statham.
What's up?
And I'm introducing him to a combination of mixes. And we're gonna start him off easy. We got some tartar sauce, some warm water, an egg yolk, and some balsamic vinegar. And so we're gonna get him a straw, just to know he's drinking it. We better take you to the sink.
That looks disgusting.
Okay. Now, probably gonna want to lean over the sink. And whenever you're ready, Brandon. This man is tough. Oh my. Look at this. Look at him go. He is going to seriously drink all of that. Oh my. Oh. He's spitting it up. Is that it?
Yep.
You done? What, you still got some more. Drink that. Oh man, he's going. Come on, swallow it. Don't get sick over it. Okay, that's enough. Alright, YouTube. He's nearly thrown up over it. And let's give him a round of applause. We have never known anybody on Lake Bliss to drink it all. Say goodbye, Brandon.
Bye.
Bye.